Hey guys, welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm doing a makeup tutorial here on a blue eye look. But before we do that, let's quickly go over the products that I use. For foundation today, I went in with my Laurent Mercier Flawless Fusion foundation, and also prime my face with Wise Up Touché Eclait Blur Primer. I really love this primer because of the way it blurred out my texture area. To cut my crease, I went ahead and used this Tarte Cosmetics concealer. I'm going to have every information listed down below. For highlight today, I went in with Covergirl Full Spectrum Sculpt Expert Cheek Palette. For lips, I went in with my Giorgio Armani liquid lipstick, and then I paired it with Fenty lip gloss in Fussy. This is Fussy. For bronzer, of course, I went in with Coco Natty from Fenty Beauty. I set my eye with Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Setting Powder. And then for blush, I used this Sleek Cosmetics Dark Face Form Blush Palette. And then to clean my brows, I use my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and that's the same concealer that I use under my eye to set my under eye. And for my eye look today, I use a combination of Morphe Palettes, which are the JamesCharlesXMorphe Palettes, the Dare to Create 39A palette. I also use the 2018 Holiday Collection palettes that were released for the holiday. And I use both of the palettes. One is Your True Selfie and the other is Social Butterfly. So I will go ahead and leave a link down below because I did not swatch these shadows today. I already swatched them on another video which I have listed here on my channel. So I'm going to leave that link down below so that you guys can check it out. And the hair I'm wearing is from my hair extension company, the Peaches Beauty Collection. I'm gonna leave that right here, and you can find me or follow me on Instagram. And what I did was to color this hair, and so you will see a video coming up on my channel with how I color the hair to this very beautiful color. Of course, I'm giving a shout out to my baby boy. This is his birthday, so I decided to come to you guys with this blue in honor of him. Yes. Mother love, right? Yes, anyway, let me stop kidding. But yeah, if you guys love this look, please keep watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Jeff that made a video years ago regarding how they treated a friend of hers and also how they treated her.